Traditional VFX could take up to 20 hours to just build and render this. And I did all this in 3 minutes with AI. My name is Gigi and I've mastered AI visuals in the last 3 years. And in this video, I'm going to show you the complete workflow on how you can achieve those similar results. So let's get started. It is actually really simple with this workflow that I found. I tried Xfield and other AI tools and all of them has one problem. They are not workflow centered, but when you want to make real professional work with real footage, Xfield kind of falls short to that. And the solution to this problem is simply having an AI tool with an integrated timeline to it. So that's why I found Adkeet. I tested it and I was really surprised with the results because it has one of the best integrated workflow and AI features out of all the other AI tools. So if you want to follow me to this workflow, a link of Adkeet will be in the description. Let's get started. So the first step is just to make sure that you film your footage. And once this is done, what you're going to have to do is simply go into Adkeet, go into the project section and create a new project. It's really straightforward. You will simply be greeted with this page. Up there you have the advanced and the simple option. The simple option will look like a normal AI tool with the prompt bar and all of your generations. The advanced mode is where you will be able to use a timeline with your generated image and your actual real footage. So now the next step is really simple. You're just simply going to have to import your real footage into the timeline, and in the playback you'll simply have to make 2 cuts. So take the scissor tool to actually cut the part where you want the effect to take place, and once this is done you will have to click on this edit button, and this is where all the magics happen because look how hazy it is. You will simply have to create a description of the effects you want to happen in this little clip that you selected. Make sure that your description is good and detailed enough. Simply click on this enhance button. It will directly convert your prompt, so the final result will literally look the best with this enhanced prompt. You can either import a reference or not. I personally won't, so I will just leave it as that, and then I will click on generate. So this is what the AI gave us. This is incredible, and we did it in like a couple of clicks. We can barely tell there is a cut, and this was the goal. Now what if I want to take it a step further? What if I want to extend the cinematic footage? So how would I proceed to do that? Well, thanks to the advanced workflow of Adkeet, we can actually use this one thing called the director board, and it is essentially a way of generating any clips or any image inside of the timeline directly. The best feature it has is that it can actually extend any clips. So all you have to do is simply put the director board on the edge of a clip and simply extend it like that. This is literally like a game changer because other AI websites doesn't offer anything like that. And once you stretch your clip, a prompt bar will literally appear, and you'll simply have to type what you want to happen in the next scene. And if you want more details about what's going on in the next scene, you can also click on advanced and this whole page will appear. You can actually control how you want your camera to look like. Still type your prompt. You can add your cast, and the cast is literally where you have all of your AI characters, your AI actors that you created earlier. And this is also a game changer because now you can also create AI characters from scratch, just like a video game, or you could just upload a picture of your face and have your character spreadsheet in seconds. But we're gonna go over that after. You can also decide to control the duration of the extension of the clip, the quality of the clip, the highest being Seedance 2.5 and the lowest being Seedance 2.0 fast. For quality and realism's sake, we're gonna go into the highest setting possible. And if you go a little bit further down, you can also control your camera effects and your camera movements if you want. You can also describe customized effects you want your footage to have. So all you have to do is simply type your prompt and click on generate. But there's one little problem we haven't addressed because I want the next scene to actually be a close shot of my face, but the last frame is me from behind, so it doesn't have all of the information on my face. In order to fix that, I'm simply gonna go into the timeline where there's like a full view of my body and my face. I'm gonna click on this little screenshot button and it will download the picture into my computer. And then what I will have to do is simply just go into the cast section, and this is where all of our AI characters actually resides, and we're simply gonna have to create a character. And as you can see, I have 2 options. I can either create one from scratch, and you can literally create a character with all the customization settings just like a video game, or you can just upload a picture, which is what we're gonna do since I just took a picture earlier. So once you upload your picture, you're simply gonna have to wait to generate, and while you wait you can also play a little mini game, which is actually super fun and make your workflow a bit more enjoyable. I've been trying to beat my record for like 2 weeks now. But once your character is generated, what you will be greeted with is a spreadsheet of your character, and this will keep the consistency of your character on another level. So once this is done, we'll simply go into the director tool again and simply extend the clip that we wanted to extend, and actually simply write our prompts and then What you will have to do is simply select the actor that we just created, which is me, and click on enhance. And right there, I'll simply just make sure that all of my settings are to my liking. And once this is done, click on generate and watch the magic happen. Oh my gosh. Now this is insane. Like, you got my facial features and everything. And it was easy. Like, as you can see, the final result is super impressive. And it was easy to do. Like, the workflow makes it so much easier than all of the other AI tools. And the link of Adkeet will be down below in the description. I don't know if I'm the only one that's impressed, but I think this is pretty good. And this is really like showing us how AI has advanced so fast, especially with the newly released Seedance 2.5. And if you know how to control it properly, it could be a beast in the cinematic world. So that's why I created this video right there, to teach you how to understand the language of Seedance 2.5 correctly to make the best cinematic projects you have ever made in your career. So watch this video if you want to learn the full Seedance 2.5 prompt language guide, and I'll see you there.